If I could have any job, I think I would like to be a great chef. I think this because I enjoy cooking for my family and my friends. I love TV shows like The Master Chef. I buy new ingredients for the plates, and really I love see it to my son, and he will enjoy my food. I think I would also like to be a chef because I have worked for many years in restaurants, where I have learned a lot about the cuisine of different countries around the world. Cooking is one of my favorite hobbies. I think the most important job I have had was working at a restaurant in Cali. It was called Grabando. In there, I learned of Mediterranean food. I was trying many wines of the world. I meet many celebrities, for example, Juanes, Pio Valderrama, Claudia Bamon, Amparo Grisales, and others. In this place, I learned to manage restaurants because my boss trained me that. So I discovered my passion for the gastronomy.